Hey everyone, can you imagine that? A CarPlay for less than 50 bucks. And that's it. That's the one. Okay, let's do the unbox and the review on it after. So let's look at the box. You can see some information here. Et voila. Again, same thing. So that is Android and iOS. Okay, let's do the unbox. Let's see exactly what we have inside. User manual. The adapter for the power, 12 volt. They give you a free camera for when you back up with your car or your truck. That's nice. Some jack with for auxiliary. They give you one stand, and they give you another stand too, a sucked cup. Let me show you. Et voila. And the machine. So we're talking about a 7-inch screen. Et voila. In the back you have two speakers for stereo. On the side you have the output for the music. Here you can install a CD card. After that, the other input is going to be for the camera, and this guy here is for the power. On top you have your button on and off. Okay, let me show you. I'm going to put the power on it. This is going to be how fast it's connecting on my cell phone. Et voila, et voila. This is going to be what exactly we have. This CarPlay will mirror the Essential app of your cell phone or your mobile phone. So don't try to listen to YouTube, because I asked her Google to open the app of YouTube, and what the Google tell me, you're not allowed to watch video or listen to music on YouTube when you're driving. Okay, so when you get inside your car, you start your car, the CarPlay is going to open, and the screen you're going to see is always depend what cell phone you're using. If you're using your wife's cell phone or your cell phone. If you're using your cell phone, it's going to do like a mirror or of your cell phone or your wife's cell phone. What's nice about it, you can be multiple user on it. So what I did, you have two choices. You can put it on the dash or on the windshield. And when you take it out, the sticky, the plastic, this guy here is sticky. So that for sure, that's going to give more. It's going to hold better. You want to know my opinion? For less than 50 bucks, and you don't and you have better view with a 7-inch screen, my opinion is it's better to put this on the dash than your cell phone on the dash, because you can insert the phone, you can watch, not watch, but at least you can see Waze or Google Map. Is always depend which one you use it, and that's it. That's my opinion. It's really a good choice for less than 50 bucks. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoy it, don't forget to thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. and see you in another one.